Hello everyone, if you can just copy one word from this website, paste it here, click submit, wait for a few minutes, and you can collect your earning. You can do this all over again for basically unlimited times, and people from all countries around the world are already doing this to make hundreds of dollars every single day. It's a brand new tool that we never talked about earlier on this channel. And it's absolutely free and they accept people from worldwide. You can also do this if you follow all of the steps and stay until the end of the video. This is Make Money Online and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to earn up to $501,000, join my #1 recommended link in description below and sign up on that website. Now let's get started. Let me explain the step-by-step method and how you can set this up, and how you can use this absolutely free platform to make almost $1,000 in a single day without selling any products, without doing affiliate marketing, and without filming anything with your camera or whatsoever. This has nothing to do with social media either, so you don't have to worry about it. It's really simple. And it's 100% beginner friendly, because you literally just need to copy and paste. And all you have to do is just collect your earnings. The first absolutely free tool that will basically do the work for you is called Logaster. This is the website right here. So this is a place where you can create different designs for absolutely free with just one click of a button. But you will not have to design any logos or any graphic designs for whatsoever. I just want you to come over to logaster.com. Scroll down to the bottom of this website, and right here where it says a free slogan generator, I want you to click that. It will take you over to the next page where you can generate an absolutely free slogan for any business out there. All you have to do is to use the company name in this box, select their category from this box right here, and click come up with a slogan. That's it. That's all the work from your side. And I will show you how that will make you money with other platforms. And some of them we have never even mentioned earlier on this channel. And I'm also 100% sure that you have not seen them before because they are actually brand new. So now that you know how this tool actually works, and how simple it is to use, let me show you 3 different ways you can actually make money with that. How can you actually get paid and make hundreds of dollars every single day? Well, the first thing that you can do is to use the freelancing website called People Per Hour. So this is the website right here. If you type in slogan or tagline, that's going to give you all of these different people that are selling and providing this service. Now even though this service is in high demand, there's not a lot of people that know that they can actually provide this service in People Per Hours. So this is a massive potential because People Per Hour is being visited by millions of people on a monthly basis. Now if you provide your service, the competition is really low and you can stand out as a complete beginner and sell your services a lot easier. You can see that it is in high demand, over 500 feedbacks. This person got over 500 sales because not every single person will give us the back. So $55 per slogan, and just imagine making $55 just to copy and paste one word into the previous website and just click on submit to give you the slogan, you deliver it to the customer, and that's it. $55. So if you do the math, 600 sales multiplied by $55 minus some fees, that's over $30,000. So you can see that it is in high demand, but the competition is really low on peoplehours.com. Other people are making a lot of money with this service. So it's the perfect time to jump on this before the competition becomes bigger. So now you just need to follow along until the end, go out there, take action and collect your profit. People Per Hour is one of the freelancing websites which you can use. You can also use a freelancer, Truelancer, 5Squid, Quick Engage, even Fiverr if you want to. So there's a lot of different freelancing websites which you can use. All you have to do is just Google it. You can search for like Fiverr alternatives, and that's going to give you different platforms where you can provide the service. The more platforms you list the service on, the higher chances you have of getting more sales. All you have to have is list of service. Whenever someone buys from you, they will pay you like $35 or $45. You go back to the previous website logaster.com. And you can go to the free slogan generator, copy and paste their company name or their business name, like submit, copy the slogan which like deliver to the customer. And that's it. And if you want to earn up to $501,000, join my #1 recommended link in description below and sign up on that website. So I really hope you did get some value out of this video. And that is it for today's video. Guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something today. This is Make Money Online and I will see you on the next video.